Right now I'm doing the Rode Wireless Go sound check. So I've set the setting on the transmitter. It is now full dB decibels. I'm gonna change it to 1. Okay, right now the mic is here. This is 1 dB. This is 2 dB. And this is 3 dB. Gonna test the distance of the mic. Now it's in front of me. This is 1 dB, mic check. This is 2 dB, mic check. And this is 3 dB. Then I'm gonna go back to 1 dB. Gonna continue talking. Now I'm gonna add I forgot what this thing is called. I think it's a wind muffler or yeah, I forgot what it's called, but I know it's to diffuse the sound of wind. Again, I'm gonna test in different ranges, different distances. This is 1 dB if close here, 2 dB close to the chest, 3 dB close to the chest. Now next, right in front would be, now it's gonna be 1 dB, right, level 1 dB, level 2 dB, level 3 dB.